Hello, I'm Debs, and today I'm going to break down the steps to Honky Tonk Highway by Luke Combs. It's a line dance routine that I've been using in my Zumba classes just lately, and yeah, steps are really simple, but it's easy to say that until you know how. So I thought I'd break them down for you. Okay, I'm going to turn my back to you so it's easier for you to be able to follow, and we're going to be leading on our right leg. So the first step, we take our weight on our left leg and we just do 2 taps out to the right. So it's tap, tap, and then we do a grapevine to the right. So we step out to the side, step behind, out to the side together. And we do the same going back the other way to the left. So it's tap, tap, out, back, out, together. So if I count that for you, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And in class, we add a clap at the end of the side vine. You don't have to do that, but I'll just show it to you. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's the first 16 counts. So we've got 16 counts to go. So the next 8, we do something called a rocking chair. So we rock forwards on the right foot and back, and that's it. So forwards and back. And the count is 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we do 2 kind of baby steps to turn a quarter turn. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So that we're facing to the side. But what I do in class, I keep everybody facing the same way for a while, just for a few repetitions, just to get everybody comfortable with the steps, and then we add the turn. It just helps. It just really, really helps everybody to get the steps, because when you can't see the instructor anymore, all chaos can ensue. So this is to prevent that. So let's do what we've done so far. Starting with a double toe tap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rocking chair. 5, 6, 7, 8. And then the final step is called a K step. So if you imagine a K, like so, and you've got the 2 kicking legs of the K, we're going to step through those legs. So the first step that we do, we step forwards and to the right diagonal, feet together. Then we go back to home, where we just came from. And then we step behind on the diagonal, like so. And in class, I add a clap. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I hope that makes sense. Okay, I'm going to do the whole thing with counts of 8, but I'm going to stay facing the back wall. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I'm going to do it with the turn. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's it. I hope that's helped. What I'll do now is I'll put the music on and we can dance the whole thing through. I'll keep facing front for about 4 repeats and then take it round.
Midnight Grapevine, heading down to Alabama. I got a 3-night run, we're gonna kick it off in Birmingham. Headlights, white lines, flying down 65, trying to catch a few hours sleep. Tomorrow comes showtime, that's when I know I'm living that neon dream. Oh, I got the bus and the band and a one-night stand waiting on us down the road. We're gonna load it in, crank it to 10 whiskey shots to 2 a.m. and off to another show. And then it's back to my baby for a couple days, but I can only stay for so long. Without a honky tonk highway is calling me home. Rolling in a mobile, name on the marquee sign, waving at the women that are standing in the ticket line. Point me to the stage, I know that's the only place I'm ever gonna want to be. Smoky bars, guitars, breaking all the girls' hearts, that's the only life for me. Oh, I got the buzz